Check out our newest email marketing update. Now we have a plain text editor within email marketing. One of the things I love about this feature is that it's going to allow you to create simple yet extremely personalized emails that resemble messages from a personal inbox. This is going to enhance the personal touch and reduce the commercial feel of your email marketing. There are a ton of benefits to this update. As I mentioned before, it's going to enhance personalization. Now your emails are going to look like they came from a personal inbox. This is also a feature that is insanely easy to use. And you're going to love the versatile formatting. What's great is that the plain text editor is now going to provide you a tool to enhance the personal touch of your email communications, making your messages so much more engaging and because of that, effective. Let me show you exactly where this new feature is at. First of all, this is a marketing feature, so it's going to be under marketing in the left-hand navigation. Then you're going to go up to emails, and in the drop-down, you're going to go to templates. Now you're either going to create a new email or you're going to utilize a template. Go ahead and select the plain text editor. Now you're going to simply compose the message and, if needed, add any images. I want to give you just a little bit of a tip here on those images. Depending on where you got those images, you might want to check what the metadata is attached to that image. Make sure you clean that up if you've copied it from the internet. Now go ahead and update those details and save. What's great is you can easily align your image. And as always, with the email marketing option, you can also preview. This feature provides a powerful tool to enhance that personal touch of your email communication, making your message more engaging and effective. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.